In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a negative text effect in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer through the official app and access the project where you want to apply the effect. Then select the footage on your timeline that you want your text to appear on so it is active and ready for editing. Once it is selected, duplicate the clip so you now have a second copy of the same footage on your timeline, keeping both versions aligned. Click on the duplicated clip to make sure you are working on the correct layer. Then go to the Adjust tab where you will find the color correction tools. Inside Adjust, open the Curves section and begin modifying the color curves by dragging each curve in the opposite direction. This will invert the colors of the duplicated clip and create the negative style effect. After applying the curve adjustments, move to the Video section and locate the Mask option. Then select it to open the available masking tools. From the Mask options, choose Text Mask, which will apply a text-based mask to your inverted clip. Once the text mask is active, a text input field will appear on the screen, and you can click inside it to type the text you want displayed in your video. After entering your text, adjust the font size so it fits properly within the masked area. Then go through the available text settings to refine the font style and sizing as needed. Position the text carefully so it aligns correctly over the masked region, making sure it blends naturally with the inverted background created by the duplicated clip. Continue making small adjustments to placement, size, and styling until the text looks balanced within the effect. Once everything is set, review the preview window to confirm that the inverted colors and text mask are working together as intended. The original clip remains unchanged, while the duplicated layer carries the negative effect, and the text mask displays your custom text. On top, if needed, you can go back and adjust either the curves or the text settings to fine-tune the result. When everything looks correct, the negative text effect in CapCut PC is complete and ready for use in your project.